very proud partner and distributor for OPTRAFFIC here. Everything from lighting towers to staples of the traffic management industry with VMS boards, arrow boards, trailers, vehicle mounts. The thing that I really enjoy about our partnership with OPTRAFFIC is the innovation and work that goes into the products in the background. There's so much work that goes into creating a product and releasing a new product, such as the trailer mounted VMS boards, and it all just happens in the background. Nobody gets to see all of that. We're lucky enough to be here in China visiting the factory, meeting with the R&D team, who are very receptive to ideas and thoughts on product improvement and new product lines.
I've been working with OPTRAFFIC for over 10 years now, and probably the biggest thing that I've enjoyed is the way that the team at OPTRAFFIC work with us around product innovation and design. They hear what it is that we're wanting to improve on and then put together a team to help us deliver on that.
We've been working with OPTRAFFIC now for around 8 years. They have been a good partner to us. Things that I like about them would be they're a good outlet for me for design. So with a lot of the products that they have now have a bit of myself in them. So in other words, they listen, take our ideas, and then we develop products together. The other thing that's quite important to me in my business is honesty and integrity. John and the team that I've worked with OPTRAFFIC have proven to be trustworthy and honest, so their morals fit with my company.
And what I like about OPTRAFFIC is their service, their attention to detail. The product's a very good product, easy to use, and they listen to when we have any issues or queries, and their response is very, very good. It's perfect service.